Welcome to Pure Rustic Decoration. What if a tiny backyard could become a cozy garden retreat without spending a fortune? In today's transformation, we're turning a small, overlooked outdoor space into a beautiful place to relax, unwind, and enjoy nature on a budget. Let's see the amazing before and after makeover. In this video, we turned a tiny backyard into a cozy garden retreat on a budget. What was once a plain and underused outdoor space is now a beautiful place to relax, unwind, and enjoy nature. You'll see the complete before and after makeover, including simple landscaping ideas, affordable garden upgrades, cozy seating areas, lush greenery, and charming outdoor details that make a small backyard feel like a peaceful escape. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this cozy garden makeover. We hope it inspires you to transform your own outdoor space into a relaxing retreat. Thank you for joining us on this cozy backyard transformation journey. We hope this makeover inspired you to create a beautiful and relaxing outdoor space of your own, no matter how small your backyard may be. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rustic Pure Decoration for more beautiful home and garden transformations. And if you'd like to see more inspiring makeovers, click on one of the videos on your screen and continue exploring with us. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next transformation.